Okay, so our next pose in this sequence is called the Pose of Immortality. So we're going to go into our very much Kemetic Yoga postures. These postures are only seen in ancient Kemet or ancient Egypt. They're seen on the walls of the temples. They're seen in tombs. They're seen in art. So we're going to be going through Pose of Immortality, the Pose of Anpu, and the Goddess Pose or the Pose of Aset. So we start off with the arms next to the body, the knees slightly bent, the pelvis is tucked. Breathe in, and as you exhale, bring your hands together in front of your thighs. Let both hands touch each other. On the inhalation, your arms rise up. Your arms bend, make a pyramid shape that your eyes are looking through. You slowly exhale, your palms down in front of your chest. Let your shoulders release. You shift your weight into your right foot. Inhale, your left leg up, point your left foot towards the ground. Lift that knee up. As you exhale, extend your left leg back, put the top of your foot to the ground. Once you touch it, you tuck your hips, bend your knees slightly, find your balance. Breathe in. On your exhalation, ease yourself down to the ground. Control your weight gently down until your buttocks is able to rest upon your heel, keeping your back straight. Now you take your right arm and lock it to the inside of your right knee as you breathe in. And as you exhale, turn out to the side. Keep your palms touching each other. Releasing both shoulders even. Now bring the fingertips together. Breathe in. As you exhale, open up your arms. Breathe in. Exhale and make your fist. Inhale. As you exhale, turn your head to the front, looking towards your right shoulder. Holding the position. Focus on your breathing. Inhale your chin over your chest. Exhale and turn your head in the opposite direction. So you want to open up the neck in both directions. Now line up your chin with your chest again. And inhale your left fist to your right fist. As you exhale, open up your palms, bring your arms in front of your chest. As you breathe in, let your body rise up. Pull the breath in. Exhale your weight into your right foot. Inhale your left leg up. Point that knee all the way up. Point your toe towards the ground. Exhale your foot down to the ground next to your opposite foot. Breathe in. And exhale your hands down next to your body. And then breathe in. Breathe out. Inhale. As you exhale, bring your hands together in front of your thighs. As you inhale, let your arms rise up. Exhale your palms in front of your chest. Shoulders relax. Shift your weight into your left foot. You're going to lift your right leg up, point your toe towards the ground. Let your leg go back, put the top of your foot to the ground, and then exhale. Breathe in again. Exhale and tuck your hips and ease your weight down to the ground as you exhale. Relaxing, easing downward. Then lock your left arm to the inside of your left knee. Breathe in. As you exhale, bring your palms together. Let your fingertips touch together in front of your chest. Palms facing your chest with your fingertips touching. On your inhalation, let your arms open. On your exhalation, make fists with your arms. With your hands rather. Breathe in. On your exhalation, turn your head to the front. And you can modify the pose to keep it easy on your knees. Breathe in, bring your chin over your chest. Exhale your head, looking to your opposite shoulder. Now take your time, and as you inhale, bring your right fist to your left fist. Open up your palms, center your arms in front of your chest. Bend your elbows, relax. As you breathe in, let your body rise up, pushing. Exhale and sink your weight into the bottom of your left foot. Inhale your right knee up. Exhale the right foot down next to your left foot. And then breathe in. And as you exhale, lower your arms down next to your body. Down to the front and then to the side. And then relax and breathe in. And breathe out and release. Now from here, we're going to switch into the pose of Ampu, or the Peaceful Warrior pose. So you want to breathe in, exhale your hands together in front of your thighs. As you inhale, your arms rise up. As you exhale, lower your palms down in front of your chest. Shift your weight into your right foot. Inhale your left foot up. Point your left foot towards the ground. Exhale, the top of your foot down. Tuck your hips and breathe in. As you exhale, let your body go down, easy down gradually. Keep your back straight, keep your hips tucked underneath as you go down. Now, you're going to take that right arm and just lock that right elbow into the side of your right knee. But don't turn your body out to the side. Keep your fingers and your arms pointing forward. Now you breathe in, and as you exhale, open up your arms so that your palm comes to your chest, your other arms turns out. You point your fingers, bend at the wrists, and then you make that fist with your hands, that Peaceful Warrior fist. Now you breathe in, and as you exhale, turn your head to the front shoulder. Release the neck, release the shoulder. Inhale your chin over your chest. Exhale and turn your head and look behind you. Now on your inhalation, bring that left fist forward towards your right palm. Exhale and open up your hands, center your palms and your arms in front of your chest. On your inhalation, let your body rise up. On your exhalation, sink your weight into the bottom of your right foot and inhale your left leg up. Exhale the left foot down. Breathe in. Exhale your hands down to the front of your thighs and then to the side of your body. And breathe in. Slowly breathe out. And from here, you inhale again. And as you exhale, bring hands together in front of your thighs. Inhale, let your arms rise up. On your exhalation, lower your palms down in front of your chest, let your shoulders relax. Now you're going to shift your weight into your left foot. You're going to inhale your right knee up, point your right foot towards the ground. On your exhalation, lower the right foot down so that the top of your foot comes to the ground. Tuck your hips underneath you. Breathe in. As you exhale, ease your body down and release. Take that left arm and lock it to the inside of your left knee. As you exhale, turn your body out so that your arm goes out, your opposite hands come to your chest. Bring that hand up above the head, bend at the elbow at the right angle, and then point the wrist, point the hand, and then make your fists as you exhale. And breathe in and breathe out. Inhale and bring your chin over your chest. Exhale and look towards your towards the front shoulder, towards your left shoulder. Make whatever modifications that you need to make your knees comfortable. Inhale your chin over the chest. Exhale and look towards your opposite shoulder. On your inhalation, bring that right fist to the left palm. Exhale, palms together. Even your arms in front of your chest. On your inhalation, let your body rise up. Hold in the breath in. On your exhalation, let your weight sink to the bottom of your feet. And then lift your right leg up on your inhalation. Exhale, lower your toes down to the ground. Inhale. And then exhale, your hands down and to the side. And relax and breathe, slow and deep. Inhaling, exhaling, releasing.